Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If you're new, please like, comment, and subscribe, and if you're old, please just thumbs up and leave a comment or something, and it really helps out the channel so I can get out there and be seen. Otherwise there's no point in doing these videos. So today I'm doing a pantry meal with some tostada shells I have on the shelf, some refried beans I have on the shelf, some taco seasoning, my home canned salsa from last year. I had some already cooked burger in the freezer on the refrigerator, so I'm trying to empty that freezer out and eat it up. I have some lettuce and onion in this bag, and I have a chunk of cheddar cheese, so I want to use all this stuff up. Don't want to be wasting anything. So we're going to start out by putting this burger in the skillet, get it warmed up. Make sure you're using everything, and anything you have left over, put it in the freezer. You never know what you can use it for. Add that in there. Gotta get my sprayer and my step stool. To my neighbor behind me, there's those webworms in the black walnut tree, so we're gonna get rid of those. There's a lot of black walnuts this year. Don't want those webworms stealing them all. I usually just cut the limbs off, but go ahead and spray it with some. We're going to use cayenne soap and water and just spray it. Hopefully they won't spread. Don't do like me. I'm always getting everything all over the stove. Then after dinner, clean this up, unload the dishwasher, and make some pickles. I think we will have enough pickles for the year by the time we're done. And my last video ended, I didn't even notice till I uploaded it, but what I was saying is I cut up the okra, I batter it, lay it out on a cookie sheet, freeze it, and then put it in a baggie, and then whenever you want it, you just fry it up. So that's what I was trying to say. These gnats are driving me crazy. Can't wait till they go away. That seems to come with any store-bought veggies. Doesn't seem to come in with my homegrown. So I'm going to add some water to this and let it simmer a bit. I don't know what I use this hamburger for. I usually chop it up much smaller. I was probably tired and said this is as good as it's gonna get. The shells I'm just going to heat up in the Cuisinart, the toaster oven option. Heat up the beans. Chop and grate everything else up, and then all you got to do is put it together. It's a very easy dinner, especially if you already have the hamburger cooked. So I'm just going to let that simmer, and then when we go to assemble, I'll be back. Okay, we're ready to build. So, see if I can do this one-handed. So we're starting with some beans. It's kind of your glue. Okay. I couldn't do it. So spread our beans. There it is. And you'll top it with your salsa. I've never had these old El Paso tostada shells before. There's number 2. Then I'll make mine and we'll taste them. Okay, so here's mine. And as per usual, I over browned my tortilla because I was busy with neighbor. I added sour cream and the guacamole salsa to mine. So let's try these. My husband already said tastes delicious. They're really good, but they don't hold up as well as some of the other brands are homemade. But to have on the pantry shelf, they'll definitely do. So there is our pantry meal for tonight. So share your recipes, what you do with stuff on your pantry down below. And I will see you all soon. It is hot. It's 105. I'm not even going to look at the heat index. So you all stay safe. You stay healthy. And I will see you soon in the next video.